It is watery and sweet, a light sweet, and inside has white flesh. And now it is, I can say, not ripe or not unripe, matured maybe. That word I don't know. How can I um, describe? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Describing by Ibrahim. You know that I'm an English learner and how I practice English. If you watch my previous videos on YouTube, you can notice that I choose a topic then describe it in English. So today I'd like to describe a guava plant. If you notice, you can see there are many guavas on the plant. There are different type of guavas like unripe guava, ripe guava. Okay, let me show you. Look, they are unripe guava, and look this one. It is almost ripe, I can say. This is okay. Look, it is almost ripe, and now I can eat it. So if I say that guava, it contains vitamin C, you know, even more than oranges, but it is cheap in price, especially in my city, Borishal. It is common fruit. I mean, if you come my city, Borishal, you can notice in front of every houses has a guava plant, and our plant it is almost 5 to 6 years we have planted in front of house. Not only 5 to 6, maybe more than 5 or 6 years. So every year we can enjoy this fruit because it is commonly found. I mean, most of the guava contain in the rainy season, but winter season, then summer season, we can also find these fruits on the plant. So yeah, I can say that it is watery. I mean, if I say about taste, it contains water and inside has white flesh. I mean, white flesh and many seeds, even you cannot count that. So, oh my, there I ant. Okay. Okay, inside, I have said that inside, okay, let me finish. It is watery and sweet, a light sweet, and inside has white flesh. And now it is, I can say, not ripe or not unripe, matured maybe. That word I don't know. How can I um, describe? But uh, it contains many things. You have I have noticed. Sorry, I have mentioned that vitamin C and it is healthy food. I can say that. So and cheap in price. So why not eating guavas? And basically now I am bored because every day I don't like to eat guava. So I noticed that a kind of birds, maybe bat and other birds, they come and eat guavas. And I can say sometimes I also provide my students this fruit. So we have enjoy, and you know that Borishal it is really famous for this type of fruits, guava, hawk plums, and other fruits. So my purpose, you know, I try to make video because of improving my speaking. If I make any mistake, please take it easy.